The connections that this is able to foster allowed me to open many doors and connect with a lot of people that I wouldn't have had connections with before.
If you have the opportunity, try it and go. It may look a little scary and nerve-wracking, but honestly, you're gonna find people who want to get to know you. I promise you, if you just give a little bit of yourself to it, it'll return that to you tenfold, and you're gonna find a place where you love to come back to and that you love to be every single minute that you're here.